Rumor has it 50 Cent is back. And I'm not talking about the rapper. I guess I should say 50 Cent. So joining me for some Wednesday wisdom is Peter Tuchman to find out who he, she is and what they are doing. So Peter, first and foremost, do you think it's a girl or a guy?
You know what? I don't really know. I think I like the moniker completely, and it reminded me that I was watching Home Alone the other day, and they call how the thieves, Joe Pesci, called himself the Sticky Bandits, right? So this is the 50 Cent trader, and it's kind of a very cool story. I think it's really apropos at the moment. So the story goes that there's been a trader who trades the VIX, whose nickname and moniker is the 50 Cent trader. So apparently this trader, who has often been a call option trader in the VIX, whenever they get to 50 Cent, has surfaced again. Now, that being said, markets are trading at record highs. You and I are here today, right? Coming into the second, third week here of December, and the Dow is at 28.3. The S&P is above 3,200, and we are trading at records across the board except for the Russell.
Right.
So what do people do in this situation? So there are people, apparently this trader, in response to a very long portfolio, is obviously concerned with some obstacles in the marketplace, and in order to hedge himself against a very long, bigger equity portfolio, is going to buy some protection on that trade. That being said, there are some January 22 VIX call options, which were trading apparently when the S&P hit records the other day at 50 Cent. And out of nowhere, 130,000 of these were bought by some anonymous trader. So that's where this is sort of tweaking everybody's interest. And it's kind of a fascinating thing. So here we're calling him the Sticky Bandit, right? So he's the 50 Cent trader.
Okay, so 50 Cent is bearish on the stock market.
The 50 Cent is buying protection against a long position on equities. And yes, he could be bearish without wanting really to sell out his position in equities. He's making a bet that in order to hedge himself up, that the VIX is going to rally, go up on some potentially negative news coming into the market. What are the potential situations that could cause a sell-off in this market? There are global challenges, right? Okay, what does that do that could put some a crimp in this market? For sure, I tend to think not. I think the more their challenges are abroad, the more people are going to put their money into our market. Okay. So I don't go for that. I think the biggest unknowns are that this deal with China is not a real deal, that there's more than phase one, there's phase 2 and 3, and we've seen for 2 years, deal, no deal, tariffs, bigger, smaller. So all that being said, that's what the 50 Cent trade is about. That's the Sticky Bandits. Home Alone, I love you.
All right, so maybe you share a similar view as this mysterious 50 Cent trader. We're watching you. And you know what else we're watching? Peter Tuchman every Wednesday. As a matter of fact, Peter, we really appreciate you on Modern Wall Street. We wanted to give you a little holiday gift.
Okay, I'll take it.
All right, so will you open it on camera?
Sure.
Okay, hold on. Let me get it. Here we go. All right, so Peter, we went to great heights to find the perfect gift for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Literally like Brooklyn Heights.
Really?
Yeah, James had to send a friend to go to some smoke shop to get this stuff. So here we go. All right, so let's take it one by one.
Ooh, I
Pick
love
out.
it.
All right, so we have your lucky socks.
Love
a
the
pair
socks.
Of lucky socks.
Lucky Hanukkah socks.
Yep. We have another
No way,
pair.
boom, boom. What's that?
We have the solar system pair of lucky socks.
Are you saying that I'm a planetary traveler?
I absolutely am.
Okay, I love it.
Travel the world.
And boom, boom, my favorite product.
Okay, so
And you
Peter.
know why I use boom, boom? Because she wears too much
I do
perfume.
not wear too much perfume. Peter complains about my wonderful perfume.
And I'm allergic to perfume. So
look, we got
there
you all the
Boom Boom.
flavors.
Here is a shout out to Boom Boom, the greatest thing in the world.
Okay, now this is turning into a sponsor thing. Well, look at you. Look at all the flavors you got.
I got all the flavors.
So
I'm good.
We love you, Peter. Merry
Hanukkah,
Christmas.
planets, and boom, boom.
Happy New Year.
Thank
Happy
you.
Hanukkah. Thank you so much for always sharing your Wednesday wisdom.
My
We
pleasure.
love you.
Love you all, guys.